Hello, my name's Nick with Revive Exterior Home Care. Today I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of how we do cleaning screens. So that's cleaning the gutters and installing gutter guards to prevent future issues. First thing we got to do is we got to clean the gutters, and then we get the hose out and we rinse the downspouts. So we want everything nice and clean to make sure that there's going to be no issues once we cover everything up. The hose was a little frozen, so we had to dethaw that. But then once we clean the eaves trough by hand or by blower, we like to rinse the downspout, make sure that that's not clogged. And then once that's good, we can proceed with the gutter guards. So this house was old. It was like built in, I don't know, the 30s or 40s. And they have like the old school hangers that are screwed in under the shingles, and then they go to the front of the gutters. So I met with the homeowner. I told them my plan. I didn't want to remove those hangers or do anything like different to them. So we came to the conclusion that we could cut around them if I could secure the gutter guards to the fascia properly. So what I did is I just scribed it and cut around it. And then the important thing is I had to put two fascia screws on either side of the hanger so it wouldn't compromise like the integrity of the gutter guard. So I had to make sure that that was securely in place. And all the gutter guards, no matter if they have those hangers or not, those panels are roughly like 4 feet long. And so you're typically going to put maybe 2, 3, sometimes 4 fascia screws on the gutter guard. And then you mirror that with those little, I call them zip screws. They're just 1/2-inch screws on the top lip of the gutter. So that end piece, we got it cut, and then everything just fits into place. The ends of the gutter guards are notched, so it makes it really easy to line them up. And then I just continue down the house, just making my scribes, doing my cuts, and securing them. And so that's how we do gutter guards.